That is wall-to-wall people up that street. Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and here I am in State Street, and the streets are closed off because businesses are opening today, and they've just designed new rules. It's Memorial Day, and the town just opened up the streets, and there is a lot going on. State Street is now closed because we wanted to open up the center of the street to have the businesses be able to bring out tables right to the curb. You can see the street goes up and there's a whole lot of people over there. I'm not going there, but I'm looking there. That is wall-to-wall people up that street. Can you see that? Head to head to head. How nice. There's table service and everybody there just sat down and they're so excited to see each other. They haven't in a very long time. That's what it sounded like. There's liveliness. There's people and they're all coming out from our town and from other towns today. Barbara Hotel right here. People get to stay there. It's open right now. And a lot of people visiting. Lots of people out enjoying the day, that's for sure. Santa Barbara, it's the best. But there's a lot more to it. Let me show you. I think if you have a grill on the top of your car, you're from out of town. Definitely have some LA people here. Selfie with the car. Is that allowed? Selfies with the car. Today in downtown Santa Barbara, we're having a big meeting. People are gathering to talk about, these are all business owners, and they're gathering to talk about closing down the street so they can put tables and chairs and restaurants here. So many of the restaurant owners are here to listen and to talk about what these ideas are and how it will affect our business community. Let's listen.
Mostly outside, right? Just outside as of now. So like if we opened up tonight, we could have our patio tables open, but not allow people in.
Of your approved patio space?
Yeah.
Yes. Your existing footprint, you can open and you can serve alcohol there.
But not actually in the restaurant to have tables and stuff like that.
You mean outside?
No, I mean like inside.
Inside you're allowed, but you have to complete, there's something that went out showing the industry checklist. If you've got those, you're ready to go.
Okay. So just make sure that their distance of tables are appropriately spaced out.
So the bottom line is, if you have like the red piano, you're allowed to serve your food and your drinks all the way out the sidewalk, all the way till it hits the street. And once it hits the street, people can be walking down the street and enjoying Santa Barbara. And then they can go to the sidewalks, and as long as it's 6 feet apart, there's a tape measure for the tables and all the things. You're able to have your restaurant service right here on the sidewalk in front of your establishment. That's the word today in Santa Barbara, California. Just decided.
With the business owners, and they prefer to be on the sidewalk, so they're going to extend their restaurants out on the sidewalk, and then the people will be walking in State Street. Safer distance, a little bit more room. Restaurants prefer to be attached to their building for the activities, and so we think it's going to go well. 6 feet, tables all have to be 6 feet from one another. It's the masks are preferred, so we prefer people wear their masks.
I see you have one.
I have my mask, and it's about respecting one another. So if you don't feel like you need one, maybe you wear one to respect someone else.
All right, thank you. What's your name?
Rob Dayton, City of Santa Barbara.
Terrific, thank you. And we just heard what we need to do. News media is here, a lot of people gathering. This is good news for the businesses in Santa Barbara that want to open. But we see this is not a mass culture.
The bar's open. I'm like, how do I sit at the bar?
So he's saying he wants to sit at the bar. Well, the bar isn't open. You can't sit at the bar. You gotta get a table and you gotta get food. You didn't read the memo. So I'm sitting here in front of one of my favorite places to eat in Santa Barbara. It's called Joe's Cafe. I've had so many birthday parties here. All of my girlfriends. It's a really special place. It's really hometown place. Right in the center of Santa Barbara. And if you can see me, we have a few tables there on the outside, 3 tables on the outside. It's a beautiful, sunny, beautiful, gorgeous day in Santa Barbara. And it's the first opening in Santa Barbara, the first one of opening. But I'm sitting here with my N95 and making sure because people are walking by without masks. And they're putting a whole bunch of greenery down that street. There's the trucks. Eating outside. Mask is off. People are walking by me. but they're pretty far away. There was a homeless guy that came up and asked me for money way too close. I didn't like that at all. I'm trying to feel comfortable eating because I really love eating out. I mean, oh my God, I don't want to cook all the time for myself. I like when I can eat somebody else's food. But I don't know how this is going to go for me. I'm just checking it out. These people are having the nicest time, and they are social distancing, and they are doing great, and they're getting to know their neighbor. And there's a sense of community here. There's some vibrancy and some tentativeness as they walk through the door of Joe's, trying to get their to-go orders or get their tables inside, because Joe's has tables and they're very far apart. They've done an amazing job. It's so great about social distancing those tables. It's so impressive. I feel great being outside though, because it's nice and hot. It's really a warm day. So I think I'm gonna be doing okay. Look at him. He's cleaning. He's cleaning. He's cleaning. He gave me salt and pepper, and the salt and pepper, he said they're all disinfected. So that was great. I mean, I brought all my little food here. It's a whole day. I got my bread. I got my bread and I got my salad. So, okay, I'm gonna see if I can feel comfortable. So here's a bunch of people going down. They're doing heavy construction because they want to decorate the street with a bunch of palms. Here come the palm. Here come the palm. Right down the street. That's going to decorate it. Okay. That's some jazz. Well, I had to get hot cherry pie en mode. This had to finish off my meal. It's almost Memorial Day weekend, and people are flocking here. There's lots of kids. Nobody's wearing masks, not even in the crowded places, and that makes me worry about what all is going to happen after Memorial Day weekend. Putting my mask back on. The sign says crowded parks and to closed parks, and over here by the picnic tables, it's been closed off, but people still sit there. That's what they're doing. It's time for a mental health break, but I still bring my mask, and I'm on a nature hike. The cool flow of rushing water. How beautiful. Nature's beauty. And on the hiking trail, there's a sign to stay 6 feet apart. And that's what the trail looks like. And it's worth it. Look at this beauty. Even if you go for just part of the hike, it's gorgeous. On the display of wildflowers right now is just amazing. And it's so cool here. Whereas out in that sun, it's hot. But on this trail, it's beautiful and cool. It's such an array of colors. You have the yellow, the red, the white, and the blue. Happy Memorial Day. And on this hike, there's some tricky things, like getting across the stream. There's a lot of water here. This is up Romero Canyon in Santa Barbara, California. It's majestic. Every way you look, it's beautiful. And a birdie flew by. So it's getting a little crowded here. But it's so pretty. And the rewards are so great. I love running water. It's so wonderful to watch the stream. This is the third waterfall I've come to on this Romero Canyon hike. I barely had to go anywhere to get to this third waterfall. That was pretty good. I was feeling I may not make it. Me being so out of shape and all. It's almost like a melody listening to the music of the water rushing. And that water's going to the ocean. Well, I'm Rebecca Brand. Thank you for going on my hike with me today. I hope you had fun too, because I sure did. Thanks for watching my channel and being part of my world as I hunker down or not, getting out and enjoying life and nature and beauty here in Santa Barbara, California. I hope it's nice where you are. Write me and tell me what you're doing. Bye. I wish you good health and happiness. I need lipstick.